The next option we have is the most important tool in the white toner controls section. This is the white toner percentage controls, or the fill up spot upto menu. With this option you can control how much of the image is covered with white toner. If we click on the drop down menu, we can see that the minimum amount is just 50%, while the maximum amount is 400%. If we choose 300% white toner coverage, we can see in the preview image that the white toner is covering the whole image. This is because almost all the colours have the maximum amount of white toner applied below. The maximum amount of white toner coverage for all colours is 100% white toner. For example, when we use a 300% white toner coverage, you cannot print 200% white toner below a 100% cyan colour. It's just not possible. Instead, the printer can only place a maximum of 100% white toner below the 100% cyan colour. 300% white toner coverage is the regular setting for the Yoki white toner printer. If you print through any other software, you will be printing 300% white toner coverage. We only recommend using 300% white toner coverage when printing multitrans for hard surfaces. This is because the multitrans media is a one-paper system. When using this media, the transfer sheet is applied directly to the mug or hard surface without the use of an adhesive, so the more white, the better in this case. But when we are talking about garment printing, a 300% white toner coverage is not needed. The reason for this is because 300% white toner coverage has several disadvantages. Not only does 300% white toner coverage produce the worst colours, but it also reduces the washability of the transfer considerably. This is because we are printing more toner, and with more toner we make the image harder, which gives the image a plastic feel. In our industry, hard or plastic designs are less durable, especially in the washing machine, which in turn reduces the washability of the design. Some people think that the more white toner coverage, the better the colours become. This is not the case. This is because we are using heat in the transfer of the image to the garment. The white toner mixes with the colours in the image, and when this happens, those colours become lighter. For this reason, we recommend using 150% white toner coverage within the transfer RIP. With 150% white toner coverage, not only are we using 50% less white toner, but we get the best colours as well as maximising the washability and durability of the design, as we save a massive 35% on our overall toner costs. We can see in the examples that not only does the image with the 150% white toner coverage have the best colours, but the washability of the image is unbelievably better. After just 5 washes at 40 degrees, the t-shirt with the 300% white toner coverage has visible cracks across the whole image, while the t-shirt with 150% white toner coverage is untouched. If we look back at the list, we can see the asterisk symbol in this list points to the 2 standard white toner coverage values. The standard setting is 150%, which provides enough toner for most designs. The 200% white toner coverage is highlighted to cover these images that are outside the standard scope. If you experience issues in the transfer process, we recommend using the 200% white toner coverage option. This makes sure that the white toner covers most of the colours in your image.